Good day to each and everyone. I'm Dali Viltado from Base IT 3E. Today, we will sharing the challenges of creating augmented reality using iJack apps. First is lack of proven business models. One of the weirdest things about augmented reality technology is that despite experiencing broad adoption and mass public acceptance, it is doing all that will business-wise. Secondly, lack of augmented reality app design and development standards. Standards are something of a universal language for a software application. It is one of the ways to secure its compatibility and contribution to the overall development of the technology. At the moment, this is the thing that is under construction for augmented reality. Third, security and privacy issues with augmented reality also pose significant challenges to the AR industry. Due to inconsistencies in augmented reality programming, oversight, and negligence, there is a legitimate chance of getting into trouble without meaning to do so. Fourth, the possibility of physical harm. While long-term effects of using AR are much better documented than ones for virtual reality, there is still a significant possibility of harming yourself in the surroundings due to the nature of the application and lack of attention. Fifthly, poor quality of content and use cases. While augmented reality technology is rapidly developing and gradually expanding its scope, the problem with its use cases and the content remains. Lastly, social issues of augmented reality, public acceptance and retention. Next topic, there is a lot of discussion about the challenges of IoT like security, which is an essential pillar of the internet. Privacy. This is becoming more prevalent in consumer devices such as tracking devices for phones and cars, as well as smart television. Standards. Lack of standards and documented best practices have a greater impact than just limiting the potential of IoT devices. Regulation, which is like privacy and development, the broad scope of IoT challenges will not be unique to industrialized countries. Thank you.
I am Emily Binanpinas, BSIT 3A, sharing my challenges about artificial intelligence. Artificial intelligence is I was so because there are people who invent that kind of machine, which is that the robot and other kinds of artificial intelligence. So there is a challenge to us to continue our study and gain more knowledge that someday we are the one of them. Thank you.
I am Jessica Libantino discussing the threats of Internet of Things. The Internet of Things is a highly developed space that is home to vast amount of sensitive data, making it very attractive target for cyber criminals. First threat is a lack of physical hardening has always been concerned for devices within Internet of Things. Second, is secure data storage and transfer as more people utilize cloud-based communication and data storage. The cross-communication between smart devices in the IoT network increases. Third, lack of visibility and device management. Many IoT devices remain unmonitored, untracked, and improperly managed. Fourth, botnets are a series of internet-connected devices that created to steal data, compromise network, and send spam. Fifth, weak passcode. Although intricate, passcodes can prove to be secure for most IoT devices. One weak passcode is all it takes to open the gateway to your recognized network. 6. Secure ecosystem interfaces. Application programming interfaces are software intermediaries that allows two applications to talk each other. 7. All base attacks, the threats they present within IoT, they becoming increasingly more prominent.
I am Alphon James Bidilangin from BSIT 3B. I am here to discuss the threats of AI to fundamental rights and democracy. The results that AI produces depend on how the AI is designed and the data used. You can intentionally or unintentionally bias both your design and your data. For example, some important aspects of the problem may not be programmed into the algorithm or programmed to reflect and duplicate structural biases. In addition, Using numbers to represent complex social realities can result in AI being displayed factually and accurately. Even if it isn't not, this is sometimes called math cleaning. If not done correctly, AI can lead to decisions that are influenced by age data such as race, gender, employment, or dismissal credit, provision, and criminal cases. That's all, sir. Thank you.